welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use string manipulation in KNIME. All right, so first up, I'm just going to use Excel Reader right here. Okay, I'm going to upload a file, browse right here. Once done, as you can see here, under name, okay, as you can see, the first letter is capitalized. Just for this example, we're going to be using the function, which is use lowercase and uppercase, okay? But you will see a ton of options later when I show you the string manipulation, okay? Now in here, I'm going to add in string under nodes, okay? Make sure that you're under nodes tab. Now look for string manipulation, like so. Use this one. Move it. Make a connection. Now, right click on the string manipulation and hit on configure. In here, as you might remember, the name is in lowercase or uppercase in the first letter and lowercase on the rest. So what we'll do is under function, we're going to look for maybe uppercase first. We have lowercase right here, and we do have uppercase in here as well. Okay. I'm going to double click on uppercase, and here, as you can see, it is selected. It's going to need a column. Okay. So we're going to use name, double click on name, and it is now in here. So for example, I'm going to rename the column or replace the column. Okay. I'm going to select it right here under name, like so. Or you can go ahead and create a new column. Okay. For example, append name in uppercase, like so. Hit on apply, hit on OK, then go ahead and execute. And as you can see here, we have the name in uppercase column, and all of the name right here, okay, as you can see, is now in uppercase. Now, just click on configure if you want to add it, and here are the functions, okay. Capitalize right here is this one, okay. First letter is big or uppercase, and the rest is lowercase. You have count or index in here, pad right or pad left, remove a character or remove diacritic or duplicates here. You can go ahead and remove duplicates, like so, and some other good stuffs, okay. Once you're done, just hit on apply or OK, and you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.